Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A31 and today I want to show you how to set up your lock screen. Start by going into Settings, then scroll down and choose Lock Screen. After that, Screen Lock Type. Now you have to pick one of the options, swipe, pattern, pin or password. I will go with pattern, then draw your pattern, click Continue, draw it again and confirm. Now, when you turn off your screen and turn it on again, pattern will be required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up, comment and subscribe. Bye!